Now, some of you will be surprised. I deal on so many things, so I'm a businesswoman. I'm a pure Igbo woman. So I'm just arranging the nylon for my snacks. After that, I'll start packaging. Hey guys, good morning. It's a brand new day. So let's see how our activities will be like today. Today I need to do some packaging of snacks. I need to package my snacks and do some supplies to some supermarkets that needs some of my snacks. So that's what I'll be doing today. I know some of you will be surprised. I deal on so many things, so I'm a businesswoman. I'm a pure Igbo woman. So I'm into business full time. Talk about clothes, talk about shoes, talk about bags, talk about snacks, talk about hairs. I'm there full time to supply you with whatever you need. And the best, if you're talking about my snacks, wow. If you have not tested my pili pili, wow, you are missing. I can assure you, you've not tested it before. Is unique. So guys, I'm just going to do some supply today and then some other activities I need to carry out within the house and all that. And also need to go and pick my items that just arrived, some of my goods that just arrived from Lagos. So I need to go to the park and pick them. So all these things are the things that I need to do today. So I'm not really cooking much today. I'm not really cooking much. So guys, let's see how far we can go for the day. So it's time to arrange the bed. So I'm just arranging the nylon for my snacks. After that, I'll start packaging. About leaving the house now to do the supply. So I've already finished packaging just to go and supply to the supermarkets.
So this is the first supermarket to do my supply for the day. This is the second supermarket for the supply. And this is the third supermarket for the supply. So I just got this for some customers. Just arrived. So guys, this is where we are ending it today. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Like, comment, and share. See you guys soon. Bye.